Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome. GWAN. Make sure you're subscribed down below. Now, for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I get my 4-type hair to be super defined and coily without having flake and white residue all over my hair. Now, I know I sound like someone straight out of one of them cigarette commercials, sis, but I am having the worst flu sickness of my life. Like, sis, I'm trying to get over this before the new year. Now, I took a chance and risked my health by washing my hair. But I'm like, sis, my hair needed to be washed. I can't live like this. So I'm going to show you guys my updated routine, how I get my hair defined using gel without having flakes and residue. Now, if you guys are new, I have low porosity hair, meaning I can't, if I use creamy products, there will be some type of flaking and all that ish. So I'm going to show you guys how I prevent my hair from being all flaky when I try to define it. Now, when I wash my hair, I put this As I Am Long in Luxe pomegranate and passion fruit gruel yogurt leave-in conditioner in my hair. Now, I've been loving this leave-in conditioner, one, because it is super moisturizing, and two, it was made specifically to be used with gel and different type of styling creams and all of that. So I'll be using the Aunt Jackie coconut gel. Now, I live and breathe by this gel. A lot of people say they have experienced flaking with it, but a lot of times with products that you use, it depends on the type of products you use addition with your main product. So when I use the As I Am leave-in conditioner with this gel, I don't get any flaking. So I tend to mix the two products in the palm of my hand just to see how they react together when they're dry before I put it in my hair. So first things first, I have the leave-in in my hair, and I'm using the shower cap to trap in the moisture before I style my hair, because I did my makeup first before I style my hair. And what I do is I rake the gel through my hair, and then instead of doing a finger coil that I tend to do in the past, because now I don't so much because it takes way too long, I just literally separate my curls into not bigger chunks, but just to separate them to make them coily. So instead of finger coiling, first I add water if I need more water to my hair, then I add the gel, brush it out, and then use my finger to separate my hair. Now, you can do that in any order you want. If you want to do water, then brush, then gel, or if you want to do water, gel, then brush, or finger comb, whichever. Like, I don't even know if I'm making sense right now, sis. Like, I don't know if I'm high on drugs. Like, I don't know. But anyways, I hope that explains what I'm trying to say. And yeah, then I use my fingers to separate it, and I find this way quicker than trying to finger coil every single strand of hair. Now, this may seem like it take a long time, but I'm actually getting a little bit faster at doing this. I know I look slow like a slog right here because on the inside I'm actually dying, but it wasn't actually that long. Like, the raw footage for this entire video was like 36 minutes long, which in my book, that isn't super long considering that you're basically trying to coil your entire hair, your entire head, like piece by piece. So it wasn't so bad. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave you guys to see how I finish coiling my hair. And then for the people that are gonna ask, like, someone asked me, like, it's been 3 years and my hair hasn't grown much. I'm assuming that they missed that taper cut look that I had last year. So natural hair police, back the hell up. We ain't got no time for you right now. So yeah, I'm still using the Edge Entity on the back of my hair where I have the eczema problem. And so far so good. My hair is still growing back there. It's still looking healthy. It's still doing its thing. So I'll give you guys a update for the new year sometime in January, just to see the progress that my hair has made with using the product to help grow that bald spot in the back. So anyways, I'm gonna leave you guys to watch the rest of it because my throat is itching as hell and I'm trying to refrain from coughing in this video. Okay guys, now that I have made it through defining my entire hair, I'm not about to sit on here with my hair wet, so I'm going to put my blow dryer on high, but I'm going to leave it on warm. So I'm not going to make it hot because like, no, we ain't trying to do all of that with all that heat. So we're leaving it on warm. As I said, I have low porosity hair, so I can't be sitting on here because my hair won't be dry for maybe until the new year. So we ain't trying to do all of that. Yeah, if you have them sitting hair dryers, perfect. Go ahead, sit under that with your low porosity hair. Or yeah, use your blow dryer. So I'm gonna use my blow dryer on warm and on high to get this baby dried in as quick as possible, because we ain't trying to end up in the hospital, God forbid, with pneumonia with all this wetness on my head top. Like, no, we're not trying to have that. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the blow dryer and just flip my hair back and forth to get it all dried and puffy. So I don't mind the shrinkage. Obviously there's shrinkage hair. If you're not a fan of your hair being all shrinked up and ish, I don't mind it. I think my curls are just juicy nonetheless. Did I say that right? With the shrinkage, I don't mind it. If you want, you can use the Aunt Jackie Don't Shrink Flaxseed gel. I love the coconut gel. The coconut gel is my fave. So yeah, after my hair is dry, like you guys can see, like guys, there's no flaking. Oh my gosh, you know how long like it take me to find the perfect combo of gel and leave-in, because my hair absolutely needs the leave-in. I need that extra moisture, I need the extra shine so that my hair doesn't flake. So I want you guys to try out the two products together and tell me how it works for you. But remember that everything that works for somebody may not work for everybody. So but I want you guys to try the products together and let me know in the comments or DM me, or I don't know, let me know how the two products work for you, because you guys know we're in the struggle together to find the perfect mixed of products. So I didn't want to do a high puff, or I really wasn't feeling the best to do any type of style, so I'm just going to take this headband and just push my hair back, and that is it for me styling my hair. I'm just glad I was able to get out of bed and actually wash my hair, wash my armpits and my privates. Like, thank you God for the strength to at least do that and to sit before this camera and these damn lights that was making my eyes red to complete this video. And right now the struggle of breathing and doing this voiceover, like this is the love of my channel, why I am doing this. But yeah, look at that definition, sis. That 4 type definition, sis. My hair looking all juicy, nice. And guys, it's been like 3 days and I still have my hair like this. If you want to know how to maintain this, all I do, like I'm doing right now, is wear a bonnet on top of my head. And when I'm ready to go or do something, I just take a bottle of water and just spray it on top of my hair, use my hand to fluff it out, and I am good to go. Okay, that is it. Just spray some water. If you have liquid leave-in, you can use that. Some people have combo of leave-in conditioner with water in their spray bottle. You could do that. Just spray your hair, just spritz it. Once you spray it and you use your hand to ruffle it, it's all good. And anyways, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you subscribe down below. GWAN, big up on yourself. Bye guys.